Hi, welcome to TS24x7. Today we are going to discuss about CSS3 transitions. These transitions allows us to change the properties values smoothly from one value to the another value within a given duration. To have a transition effect, we should specify two things. The first one is CSS property you want to add an effect to. The second one is duration of the effect. Duration of the effect. If the duration part is not specified, the transition will have no effects because the default value is 0. The default value is 0. Now we'll go for the example so that we can understand the transitions easily. Open the HTML tag. Open the head part. Now open the style. In the style tag, we'll be mentioning all the styles which are applied to the body part or any element. And take one div in which I'm giving width as an 200 or 100 pixels, or we can take any width, and the height is of 100 pixels, and the background is of red color, and here I'm giving a WebKit. This is browser support. The transition width is of 2 seconds. The transition width is of 2 seconds. And now close the div, and we can also when we hover the div, the width will be of 300 pixels, or we can give any width. Means when we hover the div, the width will be extended to the 300 pixels. Now close this. Now close the style. Now close the head part. Now open the body. Now open the body, and then we can give now I'm giving a text for understanding purpose. This is about transitions. This is I'm closing text, and we can take one div here, and we can add some text, hello, and close the div, and close the body, and close the HTML. Now save this file with the .html extension, example.html. The file name is ex.html. Now run this file with the browser. Here we got this is about transitions is the text we have given, and when we hover this, it is extending to the 300 pixels. Actually the width of this element is 100 pixels. When we hover the div, it is extending to the 300 pixels. This is about transitions, and we got the output. Now we can take another example so that clearly we can understand about the transitions. Open the HTML, open the head part, open the style tag. In style tag, we'll be taking one div to which we'll be applying styles. The width is of 100 pixels, and the height is of 100 pixels, and the background is red color or green color, anything. And I'm taking a WebKit. This is browser support. The transition the transition width is 2 seconds, and the transition width is 2 seconds. I am closing here, and when we hover the div, the width will be we can give any length. I'm giving 500 pixels, and the color is blue, and close, and then close the style. Now close the head part. Now close the open the body. Here we can take one div, or we can add one text. Close the div, close the close the body, close the HTML. Now save this file with .html extension. Now run this file with the browser. Yeah, here we got the output. When we hover this, the width is extending to the 500 pixels, and the text is becoming from blue color. Because this is about transitions, when we hover the element or div, it is extending to the 500 pixels, and the text is transitioning to the blue color. This is a transition. Now we got the output, and this is about CSS3 transitions. Thank you.